In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay in any store using Cash App even if you don't have a physical card. We will be using the Cash App QR code and it works at many participating stores that accept Cash App payments. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Cash App on your phone or any device. Make sure you are logged in and your balance is ready or linked to your bank account. On the home screen, I want you to tap the scanner icon or tap your profile and look for your personal Cash App QR code. This is what stores will scan when you are paying. And when you are ready, tell the cashier or any store that you want to pay with Cash App. If the store supports, they'll either scan your QR code from your phone or device, or you can simply show their QR code to scan on your Cash App. After scanning, Cash App will show the payment screen. You need to double check the amount, then tap confirm or pay. Once completed, you will get an instant receipt in the app. And that's it. You just paid without using a physical card. Remember, make sure your phone or any device is charged before shopping. Always confirm that the merchant name before paying because some stores may require you to scan their QR code instead. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you use Cash App to pay in stores without a card. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.